Welcome back, fellow gamers, to another exciting episode of the Tech Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of PC cases, where we'll explore and review the best options on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC enthusiast, having the right case can make a world of difference. We've done the research and testing for you, so you can make an informed decision on which PC case is the perfect fit for your rig. Stick around till the end, as we've got a special bonus tip for our first contender. The NZXT H7 Flow is a stellar ATX mid-tower PC gaming case. When it comes to design, NZXT never disappoints, and the H7 Flow is no exception. It boasts a sleek, minimalistic look with clean lines and a stunning black finish that will blend seamlessly with any gaming setup. Quality and durability are top-notch. Thanks to its steel construction, the build quality is solid, and you can feel the sturdiness as soon as you touch it. The case is easy to work with, offering ample space for cable management and customizable layout options. Usability is another strong suit of the H7 Flow. With its tool-less design, installation of components is a breeze. The case also features a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your components in RGB lighting. It offers excellent airflow, ensuring your components stay cool during intense gaming sessions. Speaking of features, this case has it all. It supports various radiator sizes and can accommodate large graphics cards. The magnetic dust filters are a nice touch, keeping your internals clean and dust-free. Moving on to our next contender, the Fractal Design Meshify 2. A computer case that combines functionality with aesthetics. This case showcases a mesh front panel design, optimizing airflow and keeping your components cool. In terms of quality and durability, Fractal Design is renowned for producing robust cases, and the Meshify 2 is no exception. It's built like a tank, ensuring that your investment will last for years to come. When it comes to usability, this case shines. It features a highly modular interior, allowing you to customize and reconfigure your build to your heart's content. The cable management options are superb, resulting in a clean and organized setup. The tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of your components, making it perfect for those who love to showcase their PC inner beauty. Additionally, the front panel has a hinge design, making it easy to access and clean the filters. In terms of features, the Meshify 2 supports various radiator sizes and offers excellent compatibility with large GPU. It also comes with multiple drive bays for storage expansion, ensuring you won't run out of space anytime soon. Our third contender, the Deepcool CL500, is a mid-tower ATX case that offers a fantastic blend of style and functionality. With its unique front panel design and RGB lighting, it's sure to turn heads. In terms of quality and durability, Deepcool is known for producing reliable cases, and the CL500 is no exception. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a premium product. Usability is a strong point for the CL500. It provides ample space for easy cable management and component installation. The tempered glass side panel lets you display your hardware with pride, and the pre-installed RGB fans add a touch of flair. Features-wise, this case comes with support for various cooling options, including liquid cooling. It also offers excellent GPU compatibility, allowing you to install large graphics cards without any hassle. When it comes to effectiveness, the CL500 keeps your components cool and quiet. The included RGB fans not only look great but also perform well in keeping temperatures in check. Whether you're a gamer or a creative professional, this case can handle the heat. Number 4. CORSAIR iCUE 5000T RGB is a mid-tower ATX PC case that screams style and performance. With its striking design and customizable RGB lighting, it's a gamer's dream. In terms of quality and durability, CORSAIR is a well-established brand, and the iCUE 5000T RGB lives up to the reputation. It's built to last, with a sturdy frame and attention to detail. Usability is where this case shines. It offers a spacious interior with ample room for cable management and component installation. The hinge tempered glass side panel provides easy access to your components, and the integrated cable routing channels keep things tidy. When it comes to features, the iCUE 5000T RGB doesn't disappoint. It supports a wide range of cooling options, including liquid cooling, and has excellent GPU compatibility. The RGB lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to create the perfect lighting effects for your setup. Effectiveness-wise, this case excels at keeping your system cool, thanks to its well-designed airflow and fan placement. whether you're running demanding games or handling intensive tasks. The iCUE 5000T ARGB can handle it. Number 5. Fractal Design Torrent White E-ATX Tempered Glass Computer Case is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to housing your gaming or workstation rig. Designed with aesthetics and functionality in mind, this case truly stands out, starting with its design. The Torrent features a sleek and modern look with a pristine white finish and stunning tempered glass side panels that showcase your components in all their glory. The airflow design is optimized for efficient cooling, ensuring that your hardware stays at peak performance even during long gaming sessions or intensive tasks. In terms of quality, Fractal Design has a reputation for crafting durable cases, and the Torrent is no exception. The materials used are robust, and the build quality is top-notch, giving you confidence in its long-term reliability. Usability is another highlight of this case. It comes with ample space for even the largest E-ATX motherboards and high-end graphics cards, making cable management a breeze. The included accessories and removable dust filters add to the convenience. When it comes to durability, the Torrent is built to last. It can easily withstand the test of time, ensuring your investment remains protected for years to come. Number 6. MasterBox 520 Mesure ATX PC Case. A fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a blend of style and performance. Design-wise, the MasterBox 520 Mesh impresses with its sleek and edgy appearance. The front mesh panel not only adds a touch of uniqueness but also enhances airflow, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure. The integrated addressable RGB lighting system allows you to customize your build's aesthetics to your heart's content. Quality is a priority for Cooler Master, and this case reflects that commitment. It's built with high-quality materials and attention to detail, ensuring that it withstands the test of time. Usability is where the MasterBox 520 Mesh shines. It offers ample room for ATX motherboards, large GPU installations, and efficient cable management. The inclusion of a PSU shroud and removable dust filters simplifies maintenance. Durability is ensured through its robust construction, guaranteeing a sturdy and reliable housing for your precious components. This case also boasts a range of features, including toolless installation, support for multiple cooling configurations, and a convenient front I/O panel for easy access to your peripherals. Finally, number 7. CORSAIR 7000D Airflow Full Tower ATX PC Case. An absolute beast of a case for those looking to build a high-performance PC without compromises. The design of the 7000D Airflow is both striking and functional. With its sleek and minimalist exterior, it exudes elegance, while the airflow-optimized design ensures that your components remain cool and responsive, even under heavy loads. When it comes to quality, CORSAIR has a reputation for excellence. This case is built like a tank, with premium materials and craftsmanship that inspire confidence in its longevity. Usability is exceptional, with plenty of room for extended ATX motherboards, massive graphics cards, and intricate cooling setups. The tool-free drive bays, cable management options, and removable dust filters make building and maintaining your PC a breeze. Durability is a hallmark of CORSAIR products, and the 7000D Airflow is no exception. This case is engineered to endure, providing a reliable home for your components for years to come. As for features, it's loaded with them. From dual-chamber design for clean cable management to support for multiple radiators and customizable RGB lighting, this case offers everything a PC enthusiast could dream of. There you have it, our top 3 picks for the best PC cases on the market. Whether you prioritize design, quality, usability, durability, features, or effectiveness, these cases have it all. Remember to check the links in the description for more details.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.